Python inheritance, metaclasses and type, function. I can't understand why the following code behaves a particular way, which is described below. Why does repr myclass2 says abc.myclass2, which is by the way not true? Thank you.
The problem stems from the fact that apt-meta overrides __new __ and calls its superclass constructor type. There, type derives the __module for the new class from its calling context1. In this case, the type call appears to come from the ABC module. Hence, the new class has __module set to ABC, since type has no way of knowing that the actual class construction took place in __main__. The easy way around is to just set __module yourself after creating the type. I would also recommend filing a bug report. Related, base metaclass overriding __new generates classes with a wrong __module weird inheritance with metaclasses. 1. Type is a type object defined in C. Its new method uses the current global __name as the __module unless it calls a metaclass constructor.